Hey, Hop Sauce coming at you guys. Hope all is well. Got my bots doing some research. There's some similar information here, but I want to share it with you today. Today, Bitcoin is holding up. Okay, so Ethereum's a little bit weaker. The problem is the altcoins are kind of bleeding right now. People are they're getting scared and they're pulling money off the table. I mean, I get it. We're in the winter. This is the crypto winter by definition, people. I don't care what anybody says. Just looking at the charts, comparing these different cycles and what have you, and this is a different. This is not the same cycle. Okay, it's a 5-year. We have to look at this as a 5-year now. Institutional money's coming here. I said this a bunch of times. So, anytime we see the Bitcoins holding, altcoins are dropping, it's like we get kind of sketched out, and it's totally normal. It's human psychology. Is alt season over? Okay, that's what everybody's asking about here. We are seeing a little bit of a rollover, but it's not anything like a crash. So don't reevaluate yourself and did I buy the wrong thing? Unless it's a micro cap. Okay, you don't mess with those. Remember, the top 10 market caps, you're doing okay. This isn't random. This is what we call the risk rotation. It's investors understand this thing. They create less risk and it rotates into other stuff here. So now, okay, this is the process and how it goes. Money flows out of the altcoins, then it consolidates back into Ethereum. Okay, when uncertainty stays elevated, more money flows into Bitcoin. That's the safer spot. That's the risk off scenario. Of course, we're not going to get the kind of pumps that we do in the altcoin world. It's not as crazy. It's the safest asset in the crypto market. Okay, we kind of know that by now. Now, when the altcoins drop first, okay, that's when confidence is high, liquidity is expanding, and people are comfortable taking some risk. Okay, I keep going over this stuff. This is market psychology. So when the confidence starts to fade, even just a little bit, of course, the altcoins feel it first. It's the riskier part. Doesn't mean it's dead. Okay, this market is defensive, not aggressive. Now, what's Ethereum telling us? It's like the middleman. Okay, Ethereum's kind of like it's the number one altcoin. I don't consider it an altcoin now, just by the amount of market cap that's in that project. So when Ethereum underperforms Bitcoin, it's usually the risk appetite is cooling off, capital is consolidating, patience is increasing, and that's what we're seeing right now. Like, if you're following all this stuff and you're looking at charts and you're looking at money, following the money, that's what's going on. Now, here we go. XRP. This is what's up with XRP. Now, this time around, XRP is acting differently. This is how it fits in. It's in an interesting phase right now. Because XRP, it tends to move with the broader markets right now. It's never done that before without the same speculative hype as smaller coins. So when XRP holds better than the smaller altcoins that are bleeding, they're bleeding out right now. This tells me personally that the market, it isn't unpacking, it's doing the reallocation thing. So people are starting to like XRP more and more. It's in more mainstream media news outlets, you might say. So now, this is not a crash, it's not a collapse, it's not the end of the cycle. Don't worry about any of that stuff. It's not a signal to chase whatever's moving. We're in the reset phase. I don't care what anybody says. This is the reset phase. At the end, it's the crypto winter. We're trying to find a bottom here. So don't make this mistake, people. This is kind of one of the main things I wanted to say today. This is where most people make mistakes. They panic sell their altcoins after the damage has already been done. It doesn't matter. At some point when you're underwater like that, what's it matter anymore? What are you going to do? If you sell at a loss, unless you're washing your trade for taxation purposes, don't be dumb. Don't lose money, people. These are all emotional reactions that investors come in contact with. The smarter, more stable, experienced investors don't act like this, okay? It's emotional reaction. Don't show up late to the party. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing personally. And I said in this previous video, these are the things I'm looking for. Does Bitcoin continue to hold the structure and the Bitcoin dominance, right around 60%? Does Ethereum stabilize or continue to lose liquidity? Does Bitcoin dominance keep rising or stalling? Okay, it's stalling right now. That's the bottom line. So once we look at these answers to these questions right here, we got to see if this is just, nobody can predict the market, everybody, just, we know that. Is it a consolidation phase that's a little bit longer as we move down? And the way I look at this thing, if you're in these markets and you're playing this game, we're just going to be able to see better discounted prices. That's exactly what's going on. Okay, so understanding this market rotation, it keeps you from panicking, people, or chasing at the wrong time. If you're trying to be a smarter investor, everybody, instead of reacting emotionally, stay right here on this channel. I try to help you guys calm down a little bit, give you some of the psychology of following the money. If you would, please hit that like and subscribe. I'm going to keep coming at you day by day. And watch, it's going to be funny, man. When it starts getting exciting again, I'm going to be right here. I'm going to be right here sharing my moves on what I do in terms of making that money. Okay, that's what it's all about. Appreciate your time, everybody. Crypto Hop signing off. Have a good day. Rest of your day, everybody. Be patient. Be patient. All right, peace out.